Cruising along, 45 miles an hour. As long as you don't get the idiots in front of you doing 17 with their flashers on. And Honda CRVs and your little crossover sport utilities that have no idea how to drive. Stay the fuck off the road. There goes one. Probably going 15 miles an hour. People just should not drive in the snow. But it's once you learn how to drive in the sun, then we'll discuss driving in the snow. Oh, we got one up here. Stop dead. Oh my God. What are you doing out here? Get these morons out of the road. These fucking douchebags. Pardon my French, folks. I ain't got time for them. I don't have time for the stoplight either. Promise you. It's a free-for-all. You go for it. Make your own rules. Oh, there's cars stuck all over the place around here. Shit. There's another bunch of them over there to the left stuck. It's going to make it difficult to get home. Whichever way they go, I'm going the opposite direction. Oh my goodness. Nice and smooth, no sudden motions. Get over here to the deep stuff. Let the snow slow you down, for God's sakes. No braking, light acceleration. Now get on it, you're in the straight. You're ready for your turn. There's somebody who shouldn't be out of here right now. This guy here coming to the left knows how to drive. I'm not waiting for the other one because he doesn't. And get on it. Change your stupid light. $50 mile an hour and a 35. Uh-oh. Got no blinker, just turn. And then we got, here we go. Looks like that guy's got his beer. Yep. Good day for it. I think I'll follow this guy. The other people don't know how to drive. Kids are over there stud riding. That quiet snow drive. regular route and still got behind the pokies. And I'm going to pause when I get to the house. Nice sloper here. Second leg of the journey here. Yeah, this thing handles well.
People that are going down the hill, but not up the hill.
I can do both.
Yes.
I'm in snow mode.
Cool.
Laying on the brakes. It stops well. It stays in a straight line, so.
Good.
Here we go.
Yeah. Petra said the snow missed them in Brighton. In Denver?
Yeah.
The snow missed
Denver. Them. They missed snow. Missed Denver.
Yeah.
Is that possible?
Oh, the hills got it. She was all around them. She could see snow. She goes, the mountains are white with snow.
The ducks.
Mm-hmm. But down in the valley, where the elevation is 5,000 foot.
Down in the valley. Look at this guy, electric bike. I saw the guy had his 12-pack of beer.
Cool.
Miller Light water, but it was bigger nonetheless. Nice job.
Mm-hmm.
Some of these cars just do not belong out here.
He knows it too.
Yeah, we had his window down.
How was the workout?
Good. I did too much.
Mm-hmm. I told Petra you would.
Put this on pause for a little bit. Boy, the river looks mean today.
Mm-hmm.
I wonder if they're open. They don't look it.
Well, when we drove by this morning, all the workers were lined up against the wall, waiting for them to open. So that sidewalk by that back door.
There's no cars though.
It was lined up with people. There was at least 10 workers were out there.
Yeah, they're open. Drink a beer and drive in the snow.
Mm-hmm.
That would not mix.
Not anymore.
That'd get me in trouble.
Not anymore.
Used to be, but no.
Mm-hmm. Oh, hell. Oh my God. Go slowly.
I want to pass them, but I won't. I have to go 8 miles an hour with them. Drive capable truck.
Mm-hmm.
13 miles an hour.
Scared to death.
This little car can beat him.
Mm-hmm.
If I was in that position, I would. But I'm 2 cars into this shit. Put your blinker on. Come on. Practically dry roads now. We got a wrecker. She was out of control. Doesn't look like the car I'd want to be driving in, but I could drive it. With some studs in the tires, you can drive anything, anywhere. There you go. 50.
Oh, the farmer's market is closed. Shoot, we missed it.
Anti-lockers coming on. That big snowplowy thingy up here. That'll do a parking lot. Hell yeah. A little loose. Got a little bit loose.
Look at two of them. Wow, look at the size of that thing. The plow.
Move over. Jesus. I don't know what people think they gotta ride in the middle of the road. You have to watch out for me. I'm trying to shop here. He's probably thinking, what the hell are you doing out here? He's flying.
Yeah, he is.
He's wrecking. He's wrecking.
Oh no.
Yep. Oh shit! He just went around.
Good for him.
He was going a little bit too fast down there. He made me wing it too, and I went sideways. That was a little bit too fast coming down that hill. Now this guy right here, good luck to him. Yeah, I'm not gonna do what that guy just did. He was going way too fast.
I thought he was going fast.
He wiped out.
Petra and I were talking about when Dad picked us up one time at school in his dump truck.
Yeah.
And we were all in the back.
And the outside.
And including my cousin Jerry, who was 4 grades ahead of us. Ahead of me anyway, and he taught us how to throw snowballs.
Oh my gosh.
And
where you going, asshole? Pardon my French.
He was taking it pretty wide.
Yeah, he was. I realized I had my blinker on. I put fresh blinker fluid in today. I'm good to go. Got my muffler bearings checked. High beams on. His windshield wiper's broken on the back.
Oh yeah.
It's in the wrong position. For snowball ice. He's waving. He's laying down and waving. Nice and quiet. Didn't want to go too fast and get down here. You know what this road could be like. Especially this turn, and could be a car coming. Pretty tricky little turn. Here we go. And there's the homestead right in front of us. And of course there's a truck coming right now. Made it. Catch y'all later. Hope you enjoyed. You can ignore some of the language I use.